Hi.
Well, hi to you too.
Ow. Okay.
This is no time for horseplay, Timon. You're supposed to be up there looking out for... hyenas!
Whoa, look at them scramble.
And that's just how I like them. Scramble. And a little bit runny. Get in here! What are you, on my sugar now? Stumpy? Flinchy? Swifty? What a relief. Everybody's... Where's Uncle Max? Run for your life! We're dead! On the way! Almost there!
From the imagination comes the story of a man
Joe, come on, boy, let's go. Grass is waiting for you.
with the mind of a child.
Yeah, Cybo Man. He came to see me.
Cybo Man. Comics, right?
Yeah, Cybo Man.
And a doctor
Virtual reality holds a key to the evolution of the human mind.
with a vision of the
I
future.
have a game in my house that you might like to play. Would you like that?
Yeah. Okay. That was really bad.
I have different games. I even have one that could help make you smarter.
Now, Job Smith is about to enter the world of virtual reality.
No, Joe, just relax. It's going to be like being up there with the stars, Joe. Like going to another planet. His mind is like a clean, hungry sponge. I just graduated to the next level, Joe.
You're not the Lawnmower Man. Well, you've certainly changed. I don't know how you did it, but I approve.
I absorbed Latin yesterday in less than 2 hours.
Joe, where are you?
Hey, what's going on?
Pumbaa
is sitting on the remote.
suddenly turns
Sorry, I thought it was around.
inside out.
You got it, Max!
I flinched when I should have scurried.
Oh, man, it just never gets old, does it?
Oh, the classics never do, honey.